we will see what is circuit breaker. So basically circuit breaker is a device which can make or break circuit manually or by remote control under normal condition or fault condition. It can break a circuit automatically under fault condition like overcurrent or short circuit current. So this is one type of protecting device from the load. So when abnormal condition is coming, so in that case this breaker will break contact and it will protect the load. These are the type of circuit breaker for high voltage application. So air circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, and oil circuit breaker. In this video we will discuss more about air circuit breaker, because right now mostly all industries are using air circuit breaker, and this oil circuit breaker and all different circuit breaker has been replaced by this latest air circuit breaker. What is the operating principle of this circuit breaker? So this circuit breaker consists of two contacts, fixing contacts and moving contacts. So the moving contact is used to make and break circuit using the stored energy in the form of spring or compressed air, and spring, pneumatic or oil damping used to arrest the speed of moving contact while closing. So you can see here we have this fixed and moving contact connected, but when fault is coming, in that case this circuit breaker will break the contact and arc will produce. So in that case when fixed and moving contact will break, arc is quenched by this medium, and that is the operating principle of the circuit breaker. So there are two coils used in this ACB. Closing coil which is used for closing the circuit, and tripping coil which is used for this tripping the circuit. This coils active the stored energy and directs the moving contact for open or close. DC batteries are used for energize these coils. Solenoids are used to close or trip these contacts. Circuit breakers are usually arranged with the spiral devices to send the fault current and operate the tripping opening mechanism. So here we will discuss this air circuit breaker. The type of circuit breaker which operates in the air, where air blast as an arc quenching medium at atmospheric pressure, which is known as air circuit breaker, and mostly nowadays oil circuit breaker has been replaced by these ACBs. So you can see this image. These are the different air circuit breaker from different makes. So these are the image for the Siemens 3WT and 3WL air circuit breaker. So here we will take one example for Siemens 3WL air circuit breaker. So first we will start from this nameplate. So from the nameplate you will get the detailed information, current and voltage ratings and technical data. These are two buttons, mechanically on off. So you can open or close the contacts from this button. Here we have this handle. So this is for spring charging lever. So by this lever you can charge the spring. So that notification you will get from this window. So here whether spring is charged or not, that detail you will get. From here the contact status you can know contact is closed or open. Here this ACB indication will give for ready to close. Then here total you will get electronic trip unit for the configuration of this ACB. Here LCD display will give you technical information. Upper side we have this communication port. Here Profibus or Modbus communication can be possible for further level. and backside arc chute, and here auxiliary contact is there. Here they have provided the handle for dragging out this ACB from the rack. This is the slot for mechanical operation counter, and this is ETU and outer carry handling. Now we will see this ACB applications. So these ACBs are used for plant protection, for in AC or DC source. We can also manually trip ACB by pressing this button. For the motor protection, ACBs are used, and in case of short circuit current, the ACB can trip and it can protect the load. So these are the technical data for Siemens 3W ACB. So this nominal current capacity is from 630 ampere to 6300 ampere in different size. Rating plug is 250 ampere to 6300 ampere capacity is coming in this 3W. Then rated voltage, breaking capacity, and number of poles are given as per different size and make. Then core component of 3W ACB. So here this is electronic trip unit which is getting this current sensing robust coil. So from this coil it will get the data for current. Here we have tripping solenoid which is connected with operating mechanism with braking latching. Upper side under voltage release coil, under voltage release coil, and stored energy activation solenoid is there. So here we have fixed contact and moving contact. So in case of failure fault condition, this ETU will give signal to tripping solenoid, and this mechanism will trip. So this moving contact will break with fixed contact. These are the accessories that you can change in case of maintenance. So this is shunt release coil, under voltage release coil, internal robust coil for current. This is external CT coil, closing solenoid, mechanical operation counter, reset solenoid, and motor mechanism for spring charging. So these are the accessories we can change anytime as per our requirement. In our next video we will see the operation of this ACB and how this mechanism is working with this ACB. So please keep watching this Automation Revolution channel, and share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.